What's up, Kurlz crew, and welcome again to my channel. If you are new here, I am Karen Kurlz. Welcome. Well, today you guys are gonna get ready with me for date night. Yes, my hair is all beat up, y'all. Okay, there are worms in here, my curls are coming back, and I'm really trying to rock this look as long as I can before it gets completely hot and I go back to my curly hair for the summer. Yes, so you guys, if you want to see me get this thing done and transform from this into something a little more glamorous, then please stay tuned. Seriously.
Little girl with a plastic curl, a curly afro when it cuts hair. 19 when I tired of the actor. Oh man, what a disaster. 23 when I shut it all off. 24 when I got on natural.
Okay, so I'm gonna start with this section because it's the smallest one, but it's also in the front so you guys can see it a lot easier. Oh my gosh, y'all, I swear it's detangled. So then I'm just going to take a small section here, and I don't even know, should I straighten this out, should I curl it? You know what, y'all, I am gonna curl the ends because today, if it sweats out, like, look at the roots. Do you guys see that? Look at these roots. So when it looks like that, when you're out and then the rest of it still kind of, well, you know, the rest of it still kind of looks crazy, you can just put this in a ponytail, you know. So I'm gonna curl it so that it doesn't look all cray later, y'all. So one time, I'm not even going to pass it, I'm just going to take my flat irons and I'm just going to twist it into like a spiral so that it curls my hair. And then I'll just give that a finger twirl and boom, transformed. Okay, so I'm gonna just keep on doing this to the rest of my hair. Just gonna keep going until I'm done. That way, if I do sweat tonight, my hair can just go into like a ponytail and it'll still look nice because it'll have that little curl to it. I'm excited about this. Are you guys excited about this? I'm excited about this look. But the roots, guys, yes, definitely get up in them roots. Get those things. And then I like to start like right here. And then again in this spiraling motion and hold the length of your hair while you're turning, or just keep it in the front like this, but make sure it stays in the front. Be careful with the amount of time you're spending on there, and don't grab it too hard because if you do, you're gonna have these weird lines like I might have. I'm gonna show you. Look at that. All right, let's just keep going. I'm gonna show you guys one more and then I'm gonna speed it up because this is gonna take me a while. And I am not gonna talk through most of the rest of this video because this is it, guys. And then I do have my makeup done already, like a basic makeup look. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then you can just go to my channel and you'll see the other videos that I have posted there, but I'll also leave a link in the description box so you guys can see that there as well. And I am just gonna add a little bit to turn it into like date night, so we'll see that at the end. And then just keep that spiral all the way down. Boom. Oh, give it a finger twirl. Twirly whirly. And there goes some of the curls. Look at that shine, guys. Alright, so I'm just going to keep on doing this. I'm going to speed things up and then I'll be back in a minute. So just keep watching. Okay guys, so this is my finished product. These are all of the lovely bouncy shiny curls. Some of them have actually just kind of joined themselves together, but you can break them apart. You can comb them out if you want to. You can leave them like I did, which I'm going to, like this. I'm just going to wear this out. I love it. I love it. I hope you guys love it. So this is my date night look. I love these curls because even if they fall, it's still gonna look pretty, as opposed to if it's just like straight, then you know it's gonna be a fro by the end of the night. At least for me it always is. I don't know why, but this is better because at least if my roots start to, you know, worm up on me, I can just grab this, put it up in a ponytail. You can pin it, you can do anything with this once it's done. Okay, look at that. Or you can put your ponytail and have all of your curls just hanging in the back. Like, look how much better that looks than if it was just in a fro. So this is like a transitional style. I'm gonna give it a little more oomph to it. Yeah. All right, and then you guys can touch that up with some edge control. I'm not going to do that. I'm not more of an edgy kind of girl unless I have like a ponytail or something. These things are gonna mess up anyway, okay? It is so nice outside, but anyway, yes, I'm just gonna leave my baby hairs nice and natural. I wanted to show you guys something. I really hope you can see it too. I have a gray hair. Let me brush it down. I'm going gray, guys. I'm gonna embrace it. I am not gonna pull it out. I'm just gonna leave it in there. Embrace the gray. Aging is beautiful, okay? Not everyone gets to make it. Not everybody does. And I know that firsthand. I have lost very close family members. So I'm just gonna embrace these grays here, okay? Enjoy it. Maybe it'll be Karen Kurlz Gray 2.0. It's like, I'm kidding. I'm going too far. But anyway, guys, yes, this is the look. Let me know in the... Alright, I'm gonna stop slinging before I mess it up before I go out, which it couldn't because these curls are tight. Okay, they are tight. Seriously, let me stop. Yes. Alright, guys, so that is it for the hair. And then, of course, you have to accessorize, right? So I am going to put my super long gold necklace on. It has a little choker piece in the back. Okay, there's that. Earrings, right? Earrings. Let's put those on. Everybody doesn't wear jewelry. Most of the time I don't either, but date night, you gotta wear. These are definitely my date night earrings. Make me feel sexy. Come on, I can't get the post off with my nails. Alright, come on, man. YouTube doesn't have all day for you. I mean, unless you guys do. There we go. And I got this cute little bracelet from my mother-in-law. She actually custom made this herself. So I'm just going to add this and boom. I'm ready, guys. I'm ready. Now, if you want to take it a step further, you can also take some more makeup and add to it. I'm not going to do that. I was going to, but then I just like it. I love this. I don't want to add anything to it. I do have a little bit of like a pink hue in there. I know, I got myself looking crazy. But anyway, this is it, you guys. I am done. So if you guys like this video, please be sure to subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you. Till next time, bye.